this night.
Alright, that'll work. Get her going. You gotta chase mine and yours around. Okay, now get her going. Honey, my hand's getting cold. There, go up behind her. That's not behind her. Now that.
Now she has to
No, she didn't get you. Just get him going. Buddy back. Now you got her in a corner. Oh, geez. Oh. They're mad now.
throw a little bit.
Go on a little bit. Go on, get them, they're running. She's trying to play with you. She's playing. Oh, they're just playing. They do it in the wild all the time. Good girl. Cassie, quit it. Look at her go. Let's leave her. Let her run. She's beautiful. Pretty girl. Good girl. Oh. You're a big brat. She's gonna fall and bust her ass again, isn't she? Okay, that's good, that's good. Oh. No, she's getting mad at the dog. Cassie, quit it.
Baby.
Oh.
See? Trying to kick you. You're gonna learn the wrong way.
Chase them down that way so that they get a long stride going. Look, little bit wants to run. Look at her. So get them going. People, get them going that way. Buddy, BB. BB. Ah! Look at her. I am. Oh. Don't get run over. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, oh, he's a girl. Oh. It's okay. Oh, easy. All right, let's calm down before somebody gets hurt. Oh, girl.